Hi guys, it's Sloan, and today I'm going to show you how I take my hair from this to this using just one L'Oreal Paris product. Sometimes it can be hard to achieve volume in the hair without using super heavy products or using crazy styling techniques. I'm going to show you how to use this L'Oreal Paris Advanced Hairstyle Boosted Volume Inject Mousse to give your hair the volume it deserves. This is the mousse of all mousses. Literally magic in a bottle. It's designed to give your hair lightweight, long-lasting volume with a natural finish, so there's no crunchiness or heaviness, because we hate that. Plus, it's great for all hair types from fine to thick. All right, before we apply the mousse, it's important to start with clean, damp hair. Obviously, I just washed mine, but I'm gonna go in with a little microfiber towel just to get rid of any excess water in the hair. It's important to not have sopping wet hair when applying the mousse. You just want it slightly damp so that your hair can absorb all the product. Okay, it's time. I'm so excited. Don't forget to shake well. Okay, I'm gonna flip the bottle upside down like this and take a good amount of mousse. You really want to get a generous amount, especially if you're looking for maximum volume. I usually start with about this much and then I'll add more if needed. So satisfying. Also, it smells really, really good. It's like a fruity sort of scent. I'm just gonna run my fingers through like so, really focusing on my roots because that's where you want the most lift, like up here. And even down and back here. Okay, and then I usually just take the excess amount that's kind of on my hands and just scrunch it through the ends of my hair, like so. Oh my God, my hair smells so good now. Also, I just use my fingers, but you can use a comb if you want to distribute the product even more evenly. This mousse is super lightweight and doesn't weigh your hair down at all, which is key for that super big, beautiful, bouncy look. Also, if you're a curly girl like me, then you know how hard it is trying to find products that won't weigh your curls down. So I just really appreciate how lightweight this stuff is. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for the next couple of hours and then I'll be back with the final results. Okay, I'm back. You guys, the volume that this mousse added to my hair. Hello, volume. Like, seriously. What did I tell you guys? Magic in a bottle. Like, the volume that this mousse added to my hair is insane. And as you can see, it also left my hair feeling very soft. There's no sort of crunchy business going on, which most mousses will do to you, but not this one. And there you have it. If you want to learn more about this product and find out where to buy, head to l'orealparisusa.com. Links are below. Thank you guys so much for watching.